Hello everyone, welcome to Global Online. In this lecture, we are going to see NTA UGC NET Paper 1, and in this lecture, we are going to discuss most expected MCQ on Communication Unit. In this lecture, we will see the MCQ on effective communication, and this is one of the most important topic under the Communication Unit because every year you will receive question on this topic. In every exam you will see the question on effective communication topic. So don't miss this lecture. Do watch this lecture to clear all your doubt regarding this theme. Students, we are having very less time in our hand, so don't waste your time. Do watch this lecture to score more marks in the upcoming exam. लेक्चर को शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ जो पेपर 1 होता है वो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट होता है और बहुत ही स्कोरिंग होता है और आपकी जो प्रिपरेशन है वो अच्छी सी हो जाए इसलिए हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं 2000 प्लस एमसीक्यू क्विक रिवीजन पीडीएफ जिसमें आपको मिलते हैं करंट अफेयर्स क्वेश्चन जो कि बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है आने वाले एग्जाम के लिए। प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस हमने यहाँ पर ऐड किए हैं जिसका सॉल्यूशन जो होता है वो हमने डिटेल में दिया है। मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस भी हमने यहाँ पर ऐड किए हैं प्लस जो मोस्ट रिपीटेड क्वेश्चंस है वो भी हमने यहाँ पर ऐड किए हैं जिससे कि आपकी जो प्रिपरेशन है वो अच्छी सी हो जाए। अगर किसी ने प्रिपरेशन अपनी स्टार्ट भी नहीं की है पेपर 1 के लिए तो भी ये जो पीडीएफ है वो बहुत ही हेल्प करेगा उस स्टूडेंट को पेपर 1 क्लियर करने के लिए। तो ये पीडीएफ लेने के लिए आप स्क्रीन पर दिए हुए नंबर पर कांटेक्ट करें और इसकी जो फीस है वो जस्ट 599 है। स्टूडेंट, हमने यहाँ पर जो गारंटेड क्वेश्चंस है वो यहाँ पर डाले हैं तो आप इसे जल्दी से ज्वाइन करें। As a teacher, select the best option to ensure your effective presence in the classroom. Even in a given question, they said, as a teacher, select the best option from the following to ensure your effective presence in the classroom. And the options given are use of peer command, making aggressive statement, adoption of well-established posture, and being authoritarian. Here the most suitable answer for this question will be option number C. Adoption of well-established posture. Non-verbal message interpretation largely. In a given question, they ask you, non-verbal message interpretation largely depend on what type of context. And the options given are depend upon cultural context. The second option is depend upon physical context. The third option is depend upon noise level. And the last option is varies from person to person. It is important to recognize through that is our nonverbal communication from our facial expression, gesture, eye contact, posture or a tone of voice that speak a loudness. Nonverbal communication is a process of conveying a message without using any word. Here we are using only the symbols and not the word. So here the answer for this question is option number A. Nonverbal message interpretation largely depend on cultural context. Effectiveness of communication can be traced from which of the following? In a given question they ask, effectiveness of the communication can be traced from which of the following? The options given here are attitude survey. Attitude survey is done to understand and evaluate the student. Second option is performance record. How the student is performing in the class or in the academic, the record should be maintained. The third option is student's attendance, whether the student is attending the lecture or not. And the last option is selection of communication channel. From this, you have to select the correct code. The answer for this question will be option number B, that is A, B and C. Attitude survey, performance record and student attendance. Selection of communication channel is not necessary in the while tracing the effectiveness of the communication. Identify the important element of a teacher has to take cognizance of while addressing student in the classroom, and the options given are avoidance of proximity. Proximity control in predominantly used to prevent the disruptive behavior. Students generally get uncomfortable when the teacher is standing in a close proximity to them. So standing close is generally correct the behavior without having to get into the verbal altercation with the student. Then is voice modulation. Voice modulation means the tone of voice that helps the audience to clearly hear and understand a lecture, presentation and a speech delivered by the speaker. Then is repetitive pause, to stop and think about something carefully or to have a doubt about the something that has going to ask her for help. And last option is fixed posture. The correct answer for this question is option number B. Voice modulation is an important element a teacher has to take cognizance of while addressing students in the classroom. Which of the following is not principle of effective communication? In a given question, they ask you, given which is not principle of effective communication? And the options given are persuasive and convincing dialogue. Persuasive dialogue, two or more participants try to resolve the conflict of opinion which trying to persuade the other participant to adopt their point of view. The second option is participation of audience. Involvement of the audience in some aspect of the performance, especially the involvement of a viewer or a listener in some aspect of the program broadcast on the television or the radio. Here, when the audience get to participate in any of the event, the speaker, the one who is giving a lecture, will understand whether the audience is understanding him or not. Third option is one-way transfer of information. One-way communication. Information is a transfer from a sender to the receiver without any opportunity for the receiver to give feedback to the sender. And the last option is strategic use of grapevine. A grapevine creates a sense of a unity among the employees who share and discuss their view with each other. The correct answer for this question will be option number C. One-way transfer of information is not a principle of effective communication. आगे जाने से पहले मैं आपको और एक बात बताना चाहती हूँ, जो भी बच्चे यूजीसी नेट पेपर 2 की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं उनके लिए ग्लोबल ऑनलाइन नोट्स और एमसीक्यू की पीडीएफ लेके आया है। नीचे दिए सब्जेक्ट के लिए हमारे पास जो है वो पीडीएफ अवेलेबल है। उसकी एक्चुअल कॉस्ट है 1500, लेकिन वही पीडीएफ आपको 30% डिस्काउंट में मिल रही है। ओके, to get the PDF, please contact on given number. Transforming thought, idea and messages into verbal and non-verbal sign is referred to as. In a given question, they ask you, transforming the thought, idea and the messages into the verbal and the non-verbal sign is referred to as, and the options given are channelization. Channelization in communication is a line that communication has to transmit over a content more than the one message train. Then is a meditation. Meditation is a structured interactive process wherein an impartial third party assists disputing parties in the resolving the conflict through the use of specialized communication. Then is a encoding. Encoding process of converting data from one form to the another. And the last option is decoding. Decoding भी process है of turning the communication into the thought. Here the correct answer for this question is option number C. Encoding. Transforming thought, idea and messages into verbal and non-verbal sign is referred to as encoding. Effective paraphrasing avoid risk of, and the options are changing, noting, copying and plagiarism. Plagiarism is pretending someone else's work or someone else's idea as your own, with or without their consent, by incorporating it into your work without the full acknowledgement. Here we can take an example. While doing a research paper, we may copy the things same as shown on the article. So what we are doing here, we are doing a plagiarism. We are copying the same material in our paper. The correct answer for this question is option number D, that is the plagiarism. Effective paraphrasing avoid the risk of plagiarism. Plagiarism is a wrongful appropriation and stealing and publication or another author language, thought, idea or expression and the representation their of their idea into our own original work. Classroom communication of a teacher rests on the principle of, in a given question they ask you classroom communication of a teacher rests on the principle of which of the following, and the options given are infotainment, a blend of information and entertainment. This first appeared in 1980. People in the automotive industry have a recent begun using the infotainment to refer to the state-of-art multimedia technology. Second option is edutainment. Educational entertainment is a media designed to educate through the entertainment. This term is used in 1954 by a Walt Disney. Most often it includes content intended to teach but have a incidental entertainment value. The third option is entertainment, the action which is provided with the aim of entertainment. And the last option is enlightenment, a state of having a knowledge or a understanding, the act of giving someone knowledge or a understanding. The answer here for this question will be option number B. Classroom communication of a teacher rests on the principle of edutainment. In communicating in a classroom situation, which one of the following approach will be considered most appropriate? In a given question, they ask you communicating in a classroom situation, given which of the following approach will be considered most appropriate? And the options are empathetic and pragmatic. Empathy is a capacity to understand or feel what another person is experiencing from within the frame of a reference, that is a capacity to place oneself in another position. Pragmatic is a study of how a context contributes to the meaning. Assertive and conformist. Assertiveness is a quality of being self-assured and a confidence without being aggressive. Conformist, a person who behaves in accordance with the prevailing understand or a custom and typically dislike or avoid the unconventional behavior. Personal and emulative. Personal, something which belongs to the personal, and emulative, using or a mark by the use of a something else as a basic or a model. Then is technical and domineering, having special and usually practical knowledge, especially for the medical or a scientific subject. And domineering is the overbearing control over others. The correct answer for this question is option number A. In communicating in a classroom situation, empathetic and pragmatic is one of the approach will be considered most appropriate. Which of the following can be termed as context of communication? And the options given are and the interference with message reception, effective communication, verbal and non-verbal response to messages, and last option is a physical and psychological environment for conversation. And the interference with message may lead to barrier in the communication. Effective communication एक process है. Verbal and non-verbal communication response to the feedback. Physical environment is the platform which is used to transmit the message, and psychological environment एक mental frame है of the receiver to whom the message is conveyed. Here the correct answer for this question will be option number D. A physical and psychological environment for conversation can be termed as a context of communication. कल मैंने आपको एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था. क्वेश्चन था कि एनवायरमेंटल बैरियर आर सेम एज विच टाइप ऑफ नॉइज, और इसके लिए आपको ऑप्शंस दिए गए थे. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन था फिजियोलॉजी, सेकंड ऑप्शन था साइकोलॉजी, थर्ड ऑप्शन था फिजिकल एंड लास्ट ऑप्शन था सोशियोलॉजी. यहाँ पर जो करेक्ट आंसर होगा वो होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी, दैट इज फिजिकल. द मेजर एनवायरमेंटल or a physical barriers, we are saying the environmental is also as a physical barrier, are the time, place, space, climate and noise. So the answer will be option number C. ये जो क्वेश्चन है वो आपके लिए है. So please answer this question. The question is, in classroom communication, analogy are considered as. ये क्वेश्चन जो है वो 2017 में पूछा गया था और उसके लिए आपको ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है सपोर्टिंग एविडेंस, सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज अनवांटेड इंफॉर्मेशन, थर्ड ऑप्शन इज कंट्रोल डिवाइसेस एंड लास्ट ऑप्शन इज अटेंशन ब्रेकर्स. Please answer this question. I am waiting for your answer.